So in this problem, we're given this expression with exponents, and we have to simplify and rewrite it in this form that they're looking for. So in this problem, first thing to do is to simplify the division by numbers. So 3 goes into 60 20 times. Now we have this division by the same basis, so here we subtract the exponents. So this would be 20 times 10 to the a minus b. Now if we look at the answer choices, we don't have this expression in these two choices because these are the only ones which have 20 in front. So we know that these two aren't correct. So we have to rewrite it in the form 2 times something. So I'll split that 20 into 2 times 10. And then we have to somehow merge these. Now 10 by itself is the same as 10 to the power of 1. And now we're multiplying two terms with the same basis, so we can add the exponents. So this becomes a minus b plus 1. And this is same as answer choice B. So that's the direct way of doing it. You can also use specific values for A and B. And if you see a problem that has two different variables, you can still use the same value for both. I've noticed that students sometimes will choose two different values because they think A and B have to be different, but they could be the same. So for example, we could use A and B both equal to 1. In that case, this would become 60 times 10 to the 1, 3 times 10 to the 1. Now these are the same, so they knock out, and we're left with 20. So what then you have to do is to replace A and B with 1. We'll see, it's possible that more than one answer choice might give us 20. So if A is equal to B is equal to 1, this becomes 10 to the minus 1. So that's not the same. So A is out. This, of course, we know already is correct because A minus B is 0. So this is 2 times 10 to the 1, which is 20. Here it's 2 times 10 to the 0 because A and B are equal. So this is 1 minus 1, and 10 to the 0 is 1. So this would be 2. So that is incorrect. Here, this would be 1 minus 1 is 0, so this becomes 20 times 10 to the minus 1, which is again not the same as 20. And then E would be 20 times, this is A minus B is again 0, 10 to the 1, which is 200. So you can also use this approach using specific values for A and B to narrow down the answer choices. Now, I do want to warn that sometimes using very simple cases might give you two of the answer choices that turn out to be the same, because the test writers know that you would be using simple numbers. So make sure you check all of them. If you end up with two answer choices that give you the same outcome, then you'll have to use another set. But of course, it's much faster if you're comfortable with just manipulating the expressions. So to recap, the answer is B.